This demonstration is to show the superior filtration product that we have with the Everpure H300, and we're going to compare it to a standard off-the-shelf pitcher filter. To begin, we're going to start with some regular city municipal water, and we're going to add some contaminants to it. We're going to begin with what we call test dust. This is how you test a filter to find out its efficiency. This particular test dust is rated for a nominal 0.5 micron. This is the same micron rating that the Everpure H300 is rated to filter down to. The human eye is only capable to see down to the 20 micron level, so this is a very extreme level of filtration. The other thing we're going to add is some food dye. This will represent some of the chemicals that can be in your water that you may not know of. We're going to add both some green as well as some blue so that we can see there is multiple chemicals that can be in your water, such as volatile organic compounds. As we stir this around, we can see the solution has both a murky film to it from the dust as well as discoloration from the food dye. We're going to now move over to our pitcher filter and put a brand new cartridge into it. This will allow the full capacity of the cartridge to be used. We then add our water that is treated with the dust as well as the dye to show how efficient the filter is. We'll come back to this later to see how efficient it has filtered out the water, but we can already begin to see that the color is coming through the filter. We then move over to our H300 cartridge. We turn on our pump and bring the water through the hose. It works its way into our pump in order to replicate the pressure that you would have in your home. It then makes its way into the filter and out of the cartridge. From the cartridge, we can see the water is coming out that began as this dark blue-green water and coming out clear. The way that we can do that is with our multiple stages of filtration. In the bottom of the unit, we begin with our granular carbon. We then move up to our exclusive micropure charge, which contains both carbon and KDF. The KDF makes it bacteriostatic. Our final stage is our polypropylene fiber for sediment removal. The combination of the three stages allows us to filter down to the 0.5 micron rating. This is so small that we can start to address both cysts and chlorine taste and odor. We also have the capacity to address VOCs and heavy metals such as lead. This unit is certified for that removal level, carrying both NSF 42 and 53 certifications. The treatment that we are doing here is also beneficial. It does not remove any minerals from the water that are naturally occurring. As we begin to get to the bottom of the pitcher, we can see that we've removed all of the chlorine and colors that are present in the water. We're then going to move over to the product water from our pitcher filter, which you can see still has the cloudiness as well as the color. As we begin to pull that through our pump and back through our Everpure filter, you can see even filtered water comes out better through Everpure filters. Pentair carries a full range of products in the Everpure line, from our drinking water systems on through full flow filter cartridges. Please inquire with your dealer to find out which is the best application for you.
Pentair, bringing water to life, for life.